At Affordable Garage Carpet, we specialise in the supply and installation of marine-grade garage carpet for single, double, triple, in fact any size garage at all. With more than 6,000 happy customers, you'll find we're New Zealand's garage carpet experts. It's all we do. Having your garage carpeted is fast and simple. Just measure the width and depth of your garage. Choose from one of our 10 colours. We'll install your carpet and give you a free aftercare pack. Easy. Our garage carpet is waterproof, so it won't ever rot or smell. Plus, you get a 5-year warranty. When your garage is carpeted, you can still drive your car on it. But now, you've got a kid's playroom, sleep out, home gym, home office, a room for family get-togethers, even a man cave. Carpeting your garage has many benefits. It adds value to your home. It gives you more usable space to enjoy. And it also increases your return on investment when you sell. At Affordable Garage Carpet, we're a trusting, honest bunch. We like to think you are too, so no deposit is required. All you need to do is clear your garage out before we install your carpet. So what are you waiting for? Get your free no-obligation quote and book your installation today at affordablegaragecarpet.co.nz or call 0800 242 123.